Today I have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is now on Android 13 based on OneUI 5.0 here, with the 100 times of space zoom and 108 megapixels camera. Alright, so this model was launched in 2020 February. Alright, so it's almost a 3-year-old device, and it's already got the Android 13 here. So this is the home screen here with a huge 6.9 display, 6.9 inch, and also a in-display fingerprint scanner, which is quick and fast. So, and as you can see here, there's a small punch hole on the center here, which looks symmetrical, and the bezel on this device is actually very small. As you can see here on the bottom, there's only a very small chin, and on the top, alright, as you can see from here, it's quite a nice looking device with almost bezel-less screen. Okay, so let's go to the settings, and the model here I have is the Korea version, so which I'll show you guys in a while. Let's see the about phone. Alright, as you can see, this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So this is also the Snapdragon 865 version, which in the other regions they are using the Exynos. Alright, this is the Snapdragon. So let's see the software. OneUI 5, Android 13, and with the October 1st security patch, which I'm not sure why it's still on October, right? Or it's gonna get a newer version. I'm not sure because it's almost EOL, which means end of life. So I'm not sure if it's gonna get any further Android version update or any kind of security patch. Alright. The Android 13 is 38. Alright. And as you can see, Android 13 Geekbench score, which I have tested earlier, 902 on a single and 3260 on the multi-core. As you can see, comparison, so it's definitely a very fast and fluid device here because it has the 120Hz display, but unfortunately it doesn't allow both QHD with 120Hz. When I set this thing, as you can see, it doesn't support the motion smoothness, which is 120Hz. But I'm just gonna change it and show you guys. Press OK. As you can see now, it's on 60Hz, but definitely it looks more sharp because right now it's in full resolution. Let's go back and set to 120Hz. There we go, 120Hz is back. Alright, so this is the settings here, and this is also definitely different from the stock Android 13, in which this is because of the OneUI version of Android scheme, and it does have some kind of different customizations. So we have wallpaper and style, you can choose your color palette, the color here, we have themes here, which some are paid apps, paid themes you have to buy to use it. And the home screen, we can customize it as well in different screen of the icons. The lock screen, the fingerprint, everything, they are there. The always on display, which when you turn off your display, we just show it here. You can choose to allow it or disable it. Fingerprint. Alright. And let's see the security. Samsung Pass. Alright. Advanced features. So we have side key. You can customize your side key here to open another kind of app. Your motion and gestures. You can lift the weight, double tap to turn on or off your screen, and so on. One-handed mode is also here, screenshots and screen recorder. You can also record your selfie video when you do your screen recording, so that you can like teach other people like what you're showing or what you want to show. Your game launcher, video brightness, right? And battery here. Yes, so this device here has 5000 mAh battery, which is, I would say, is good enough for this huge display. And let's see what else we have. Software. Alright. Yeah, there we go. So there's nothing more to show here on the settings. So I'll just go out and see the home drawer here. You can customize your settings here. Power button, power off, restart, emergency call, your volume rocker here. Let's see the camera app. So this has the 5 times, 10 times, 30 times, and even 100 times of zoom. 0.5x right now, and I'll set to 1x. Alright, this is 1x, and we'll go to 5x. Right, and let's zoom further to 10x. Right, 10x, it looks like this. 20x. Right. Guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So do stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below because this helps me a lot. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.